Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: the Xbox app, a Microsoft account, and the console on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, enable console streaming and remote features on the console so the app can find it. Open the Xbox app on your PC or phone, sign in with the same account, and choose the Consoles section. Click Add a Console, the app will search. If you see your console listed, select it. This begins the pairing handshake and prepares both devices for the next step. Once the app finds the console, pair it using the 4-digit code shown on screen, or scan the device QR if available, because secure pairing prevents interruptions. Next, make sure your NAT type is open or moderate. Open is ideal for minimal lag and connectivity problems. Then set streaming quality. Choose 720p at 30 FPS for reliable wireless performance, or increase to 1080p only over strong networks. Make sure background downloads and other devices aren't saturating bandwidth while you finalize the connection. To finish, start a test stream and verify audio, controller input, and latency. Play a minute to confirm stability. If you experience lag or dropouts, restart your router, move devices closer to the access point, or switch to Ethernet because wired is far more reliable than Wi-Fi. If the app cannot connect, check Windows Firewall and app permissions, then reauthorize the Xbox app in settings. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling console streaming on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.